on the Pennine Bridleway, just near, just between Clapham and Orstick. Just up there is the Norber erratic field. These are boulders. They're picked up by the glacier, and then when it melts, dropping them down and depositing them in a completely different location. So we're just going to go over there and see if we can get the drone up. Might be too windy, but we'll give it a go. We're just coming up to the Norber erratics between Clapham and Orstick in the Yorkshire Dales, and these is one of those. And what's happened is these boulders have been deposited on top of a glacier something like 10 to 12,000 years ago, and then they've been carried along by the glacier, and then when the glacier melted, we've got them deposited randomly around this cliff edge. So we're going to have a look at these if we can. It's another wintry day in the Yorkshire Dales. As yet it's not raining, but look at these clouds. Wow. Right, another one up here, but there's a whole field of them, and you'll see that in a bit. Wind's got picked up. Wow. This is supposed to be one of the best sites for erratic deposits in the UK, and you can see why. Let's see, I'll go around onto there, I think. Right, we'll get up on top of there and see what the going's like. Here's another huge one. I mean, there's loads of huge ones. Look at these here. And this looks like some sort of a gritstone or sandstone of some sort. And you can see the country rock up there is limestone, that they're deposited on limestone. Oh, it's just geologist's dream, this place. There's some pitches up here, isn't there? But beautiful sunshine, and the drone is struggling, so I'm keeping it low, and we'll see how we go with it. Oh, just caught my jacket. Hope it isn't ripped. Yeah. Fantastic. Let's go down here. Where the... So there's Pennygent over there. This is Morton Scar up here. I can't believe it's kept sunny, even though there's a wind blowing and there's cloud everywhere. Fantastic.
Home point updated. Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds. Low battery, return to home promptly. Landing. Critically low battery.
So, on my way back down into Clapham, where I parked, down through this bridle track. I think it's the Pennine Journey. So I've been up flying the drone and also videoing around the Norber erratics, which were deposited about 10 to 12,000 years ago in the last ice age. Great big rocks come from another source and deposited by the ice on top of the limestone. So it's been a good trip, and the rain's had a couple of showers, but rain held off. Just thought I'd get another little one in, because it's going to rain the next few days, and besides I'm busy doing other stuff, life, you know, stuff like that.